Imani, but I'm not filming for Imani. I'm filming for... Hey guys, it's Carlota. My last video was about my sound effects machine. Carlota's got an even bigger sound effects machine. So, she's gonna show me what you can do with it. So, everyone loved my flamenco performance when I was 5 with Imani. So they did... And some people started laughing because they hated flamenco like this. And everyone kept saying they were wrong, so they went like this. But then I got, you know that project we did?
Oh yeah.
My talk was today.
She felt like she wanted to
kill myself. I was shivering.
I know.
And remember yesterday when I was the first out of the whole class? Well, I got picked randomly.
Right. Is that all we've got time for? Or have we more?
Yes, we have more. 4 times 4 equals...
16.
Yeah. Well... So how much is 7 times 12?
40?
Sorry, wrong. Well, anyway, I got some money today for my singing competition. Drum roll, please. Everyone loved my project. We also have some music. I started bouncing up and down. I had an idea. People kept screaming because it was such a great idea. And by the way, I did not do this, but Emily in her class always, doesn't she?
Yeah.
And I always,
I can't stop myself.
remember when in P4 when you only drank a little, like this little bit of water, and you still,
Excuse me.
okay, that's all we have time for, guys.
So, bye.
Bye.